White Hat SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of improving the visibility of a website or a web page in a search engine's natural or unpaid, organic, search results. SEO, search engine optimizers, can wear many different hats. The color of the single hat is determined by the SEO philosophy and the methods that is used to optimize websites. White Hat SEO. White Hat SEO refers to the usage of optimization strategies, techniques and tactics which focus on the human audience opposed to search engines and follows search engine rules and policies. The White Hat SEO include offering quality content and services, fast site loading times and mobile friendliness, using descriptive, keyword-rich meta tags, making your site easy to navigate. White Hat SEO focus on building quality content first and SEO second. White Hat SEO may use technology and automation to build their websites too, but they use it to accomplish different goals. White Hat SEO is the practice that improves search rankings on a search engine results page, SERP, while maintaining the integrity of the website and staying within the search engine terms of service. They write content for people, not search engines. White Hat SEO tend to rely more on their content and marketing skills to achieve a top ranking, rather than automated programs. White Hat SEO understands that good search engine rankings takes time and don't try to rush results. White Hat SEO is able to get more inbound links from other websites, as their content is considered valuable. They go by the philosophy content is king. When you use White Hat SEO tactics, you run absolutely no risk of being banned by the search engines, and visitors who come to your website will also be more likely to convert. White Hat SEO is mostly used by the people more frequently, who intend to make a long-term investment on their website. Also called ethical SEO. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.